Hello friends, I'm Vijayshree and I'm back with the DIY. Now, this DIY today is about a pedicure. This is a little lengthy video since I have decided to go full on with everything that you would otherwise get in a salon. So, since my legs were mistreated and not paid much attention to for the past 1 week, today I decided that they really are begging for some special attention, and I did decide to give them that. Now, two suggestions. One, do it before you take a bath because we are going to use some scrubbing during this time, so it might get a little bit messy, and you would not like to do it in front of your television or anything. Which is the way generally I do, but do it in the bathroom before or in the washroom before you take a bath. That ways the mess will be washed off when you take a bath. And second, this is not a normal pedicure that I do on a regular basis. This is a more pampering routine that I have. So you can cut short some things depending on your requirements. And if you like this video, please do not forget to share and subscribe and like this video. And let me know in the comments below if you want to know something else. Let's get started. Thank you for being with me till the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have liked it, or if you have any suggestions, please don't forget to leave a comment and I will reply as soon as possible. Only one thing, if Epsom salt is not available, that's completely alright. You can skip using Epsom salt. It anyways acts as a muscle relaxant. So for me, I added because my legs go into spasm very soon. So Epsom salt helps me relax those muscles. But if you don't have it, or if you don't like the idea of adding Epsom salt, you can add a drop or two of lavender oil, which will again act as a very good muscle relaxant and a stress buster as well. So thank you for watching till the end, and hope to see you in the next video.